This pond really looks terrifying, right? It seems like a monster will go after you and pull you into the water. I'm watching too much television. This pond was originally made by my in-law, who eventually got busier with his work, and so it ended up like this. And here we are, to the rescue! As you all can see, algae and plants grew so much in this pond, and we'll be removing them all. Well, I will be choosing some of the plants to replant later on. I've actually noticed that plants grow so much faster in here, so I'll be farming several plant species in this pond for my future aquascaping projects. Yay, we're now on day 2! And we're still removing some water from the pond. I also tried removing all of the remaining debris such as roots, huge rocks, and etc. I also added a layer of sand just to lock that dirt underneath so that the roots of my aquatic plants that we'll be adding later on will only have the access to them. And after the sand, as usual, time for the hardscapes. I have also added sand into the rock formations that will serve as the fillers. You may be wondering, why is this guy adding water and then removing the water afterwards? Well, I am just trying to rinse the sand that I've added earlier since I haven't clearanced them. This plant came from a beta tank that I've shown in my previous video. I am also adding these new plant species that I have just bought about a week ago. And here I am selecting plants that can be replanted as I have said earlier. Excuse me, your elbow? Can you move it to the side, please? Okay, thank you. Selecting some plants again, replanting them, and that's pretty much it for the planting part. Finally, time to add some water! And just like most aquascapers advise, I'm slowly pouring the water into my hardscapes to not disturb the sand too much. So this is the progress that we have done for 2 days. The water is murky right now, but that would be clear in like 1 to 2 days. It's because of the sand that have been disturbed, and yeah, I'm actually planning to add some land plants there. Probably I would add these ferns. So yeah. Like and subscribe. Watch out for